Hey y'all, it's Lacey Griniger with Coldwell Banker. Today I'm here at Webb at Lake Oconee to show you my newest listing, 1060 Lone Oak Drive. Hey y'all, welcome to 1060 Lone Oak Drive. Come on in and take a look around. So if you're familiar with Webb communities, then you'll immediately recognize the floor plan of this home. It's the highly sought after Martin Ray, which features a spacious kitchen and open concept floor plan throughout the home. Here in the kitchen, you'll find these upgraded quartz countertops, beautiful gold hardware, and upgraded appliances. Then beyond this spacious island, you'll have your dining area space that can accommodate all of your favorite heirloom furniture. Beyond the kitchen, you'll notice the spacious living room. My client has upgraded the fireplace here. It is a gas fireplace with remote start. Gotta love that. Beyond the living room, you'll find a custom patio with a fenced-in yard. And talk about possibilities. Right beyond here, you'll find the butler's pantry. I've personally always wanted one of these myself. Very large pantry here for all of your trips to Costco, Sam's, whatever. And then here you'll find the flex room in the home. My client has utilized this for an office, but again, possibilities are endless. Let's go check out the master suite. Right off of the main living area, you'll find this spacious master suite where you'll find plenty of room for all of your furniture and custom window treatments. Right off of the bedroom, you'll find this luxurious master bathroom with custom tiled shower and floors, a dual vanity with upgraded mirrors, and look at this spacious master closet. Coming out of the master back into the main living area, you'll find a closet and your laundry room. Who doesn't want their laundry room right next to the master suite? Beyond the dining room, you'll find the second bed and bathroom, where you'll again find upgraded tile and hardware in the bathroom and another spacious bedroom with custom window treatments. Thank you so much for joining me today on this tour of 1060 Lone Oak Drive. For more information on this property and others, please visit my website, lifesgood on lakeoconee.com.